Introducing the Ninja Foodi Zerostick Cookware, a game changer in the world of cooking. This 5-piece pan set offers unmatched non-stick performance, exceptional durability, and a 5-star cooking experience. Let's dive into the extraordinary features that make this cookware a must-have for every kitchen. Say goodbye to the frustrations of flaking and peeling non-stick surfaces. Ninja Foodi Zerostick Cookware utilizes ultra-high heat plasma ceramic bonding combined with a unique non-stick coating, ensuring every pan stays flake and peel-free. Experience a new level of cooking convenience and culinary delight. Here are the key features of Ninja Foodi Zerostick 5-piece pan set. A versatile set. Complete your culinary arsenal. The Ninja Foodi Zerostick 5-piece pan set includes a 16 cm, 18 cm, and 20 cm saucepan with heat-tempered glass lids, a 16 cm milk pan, and a 24 cm frying pan. This comprehensive collection equips you with the essential tools to conquer any recipe and culinary challenge. Superior durability. Built to last, crafted from forged aluminum with a hard-anodized exterior, Ninja Foodi Zerostick Cookware is designed for enduring performance. The pans are scratch-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and metal utensil-safe, ensuring they withstand the rigors of high-heat cooking and daily use. Flawless cooking results. Even heating, no hot spots. Experience cooking perfection with even heating and no hot spots. Ninja Foodi Zerostick Cookware ensures that every inch of the pan heats evenly, delivering consistent results with every dish you create. No more unevenly cooked food or burnt spots, just culinary excellence. Oil and butter-free cooking. Superior food release. Cooking with Ninja Foodi Zerostick Cookware means you can bid farewell to excessive oil and butter. The exceptional non-stick performance guarantees that your culinary creations effortlessly slide off the pan and onto your plate, promoting healthier cooking without compromising taste. The perfect fit for any hob. Induction compatible. Ninja Foodi Zerostick Cookware is suitable for all hob types, including induction. Whether you have a gas, electric, ceramic, or induction stove, these pans will deliver exceptional cooking results across all cooking surfaces. Seamless oven transitions. Oven safe up to 260 degrees Celsius. Begin your culinary masterpiece on the hob and seamlessly transfer it to the oven. Ninja Foodi Zerostick Cookware is oven safe up to 260 degrees Celsius, allowing you to finish your dishes with perfection and creativity. Unmatched 10-year replacement guarantee. Satisfaction guaranteed. We stand by the durability and excellence of our Zerostick Cookware. Upon registration with Ninja and when used as directed, our Zerostick 10-year replacement guarantee covers the non-stick coating, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. Upgrade your kitchen experience. Elevate your cooking with Ninja Foodi Zerostick saucepans, stock pots, and sauté pans available in various sizes. You can complete your culinary arsenal and elevate your cooking to new heights. Embrace the kitchen revolution with Ninja Foodi Zerostick Cookware and experience the joy of cooking like never before. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi Zerostick Cookware sets a new standard for non-stick performance, durability, and cooking excellence. Its advanced technology, even heating, and easy-to-clean design make it a chef's dream. Upgrade your kitchen experience with this 5-piece pan set and embark on a culinary journey filled with flavorful delights and hassle-free cooking. Ninja Foodi Zerostick Cookware is your gateway to a world of culinary possibilities.